I am going to be transforming myself with this gorgeous unit that I received from Nadula Hair, you guys. This is a pre-everything unit, you guys. Pre-cut, pre-bleached knots, tape tabs on the side of your frontal to help lay your hair down. The hair is pre-curled. You really don't have to do much at all. So if this is basically what you're looking for your little new stash of wigs that you need in 2024, this just might be your girl. Because I mean, look, like, you don't have to do anything. I'm literally telling you don't have to do anything, and I'm about to go through the steps of what I did to achieve the super flawless look that you've seen in the beginning. So I mentioned that these are tape tabs, okay? So you just want to go ahead and pop the wig on and remove it. You don't have to remove your makeup. You don't have to start with a fresh, clean face, you guys. This tape, I don't know what kind of tape this is, but it literally sticks. This is my second time trying out a company with this type of technique. And when I say this one had me shook, you do have some extra tape in your box if you mess up or anything like that, or even want to add extra ones around, like above your brow or whatever, or even in the center. Had to come up close and personal, you guys. The top is not secure at all. So the freaking sides are making your lace look like this without any extra product. But for video purposes, I did pull out my Ebony New York Supreme Hold Lace Melt Spray just to touch up the top part if you guys were interested to see how it would look if you did want to add your spray for extra security. It really isn't necessary. As you can tell, the lace looks literally melted to your skin already. What I will say, if you find that the lace is not matching your perfect complexion, then you want to go in with your foundation powder and just maybe add the elastic band without any product, so you can ensure that your tape is super laid. But you can also add extra tapes to the top part if need be. But like I said, I have longer nails right now, so it will cause a little hassle with longer nails. So once I go in and chop my nails down, I am going to try to add more tapes to my pre-everything units. So once again, the hair is pre-curled. So if you're not the type to like really get into the curls, girl, this might work for you. But before touching it up, I felt like this hair needed some layers, okay? So I bought out that razor. You guys know when she brings out the razor, she means business, okay? I'm actually looking to invest in a really good razor. I feel like these razors from the beauty supply store really don't be hitting on much. I mean, it does the job if you're just going for a calm, subtle moment, but I really do want to invest in a really good razor. So after doing a little, face framing and layering to the hair, I'm going to go in with my T3 curling iron, and I'm making sure that I toss up this hair as much as she possibly can be tossed, okay? I am not playing. I want Beach Babe Goddess. I was going for a very much so effortless, woke up like this kind of moment. So I am going to just be curling my hair away from my face and letting the hair fall off the barrel. I'm twisting it with my finger, and then eventually I'm going to press it out towards the end so I can have straighter pieces. You do want to think about adding a little bit of serum to this hair when you are curling it, because you are working with blonde strands. Blonde in human hair can be very sketchy to work with. So you want to make sure that your wig is lasting for a very long time by adding that heat protecting serum on your hair. It's definitely a must. So this is a super repetitive step. I'm gonna let you guys vibe out to music a little bit more, so I won't torture you with just a full voiceover. Alright, girlies, so I did curl this side a bit different. I skipped a few steps with the back portion because I feel like it was just a repetitive situation. I do like how this side turned out, but it was just basically me trying out a different technique of how I curl my hair. So I'm flattening everything out with my T3 curling iron so it can fall like that curtain fall that I'm looking for. Just tightening everything up, and that is pretty much it. Like, get into it. The quality, y'all, amazing. I was feeling myself. I was like, oh yeah, this is like the perfect highlighted unit. Very calm, very subtle. I like how majority of the hair is black still, or like a dark brown. I'm just basically smoothing everything out and just getting prepared to just touch up a few things, but I am going to open my part a little bit with my concealer. But when I say this trick right here, guys, this is a trick for you. Just flattening everything out around that hairline is going to give that true pre-plucked illusion. Mind you, I didn't take any extra hair off. It just really helps melt that hair into your lace and then give off a more gradient illusion that you're looking for, especially if a company is promoting these units as pre-pluck. You will have to flatten them out so you can actually achieve that look and see what it's actually working with. So I'm going to add a little bit more serum to the hair because I was spraying it down, baby, with my hairspray. And then, like I said, I'm opening up that part with my Tower concealer. That we're getting into the slow-mos, but Nadula ate this one up. I was so in love with the quality of this hair, you guys. I will link it down in the description box below. This was definitely a 10 out of 10 experience with the tapes and all of that, you guys. I really am glad that I was able to show you guys this full start to finish transformation with their pre-highlighted, pre-everything unit. Once again, it will be linked down in the description box below. I love you guys, and I will see you next time. Bye, girlies. Nadula.